If you're looking for in the rain sunglasses, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017. In the rain sunglasses for women. Number 1, most popular, by Southern Seas. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by niceEshop. Number 3, by Southern Seas. For more info about this great sunglasses, just click this circle. Number 4, by Ray-Ban. Number 5, by SODIAL. Find these in the rain sunglasses at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Bolle. Number 7, by niceEshop. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Bolle. Number 9, by Eyeglasses. Discover more in the rain sunglasses ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Nectar.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.